The celestial beings proclaim, "Rejoice." A permanent position with a higher salary is swiftly approaching, destined to arrive within days. Furthermore, a substantial wealth awaits you within the next 10 to 15 days. You are magnetizing everything meant for you. Say Amen to claim it. Whenever your soul feels overwhelmed by anxiety, this is the universe signaling that your next breakthrough is imminent. As one chapter closes, the journey may become bewildering, challenging, and exasperating. Yet maintain high spirits, gratitude, and focus throughout. Do not allow negative energy to linger, not even for a moment. At this juncture, you have two paths. One perpetuating current cycles, the other leading to new beginnings. Let intuition guide and faith inspire you. Each day brings you closer to greatness. Embrace the lessons from what you cannot control. They are preparing you for more. Despite sleepless nights and moments of uncertainty, you are ready for the next level. Affirm, "I am ready." Once you release and embrace a good life, the universe responds to your sincere decision by orchestrating miracles. Shed what no longer serves you, and the necessary people, healing, and opportunities will materialize. I no longer tolerate what displeases or harms me, for I am worthy of more. As you traverse the valley, take your time. This journey is about growth and discovery. Celebrate your progress, for you are farther along than you realize. Each chapter, breakthrough, and step is divinely intended and organized. Embrace fear with faith, for therein lies the extraordinary. Prepare to be astonished by what lies ahead. The cosmos orchestrates something truly remarkable. Your most beautiful moments unfold, not because everything was perfect, but because you never settled for what was wrong. You infused color, rhythm, and love into the world, bringing out the best in others. Your deepest connections thrive, not because of words spoken, but because of the time you invest in listening and being present, understanding that true love is selfless. Type 1111. Your peace doesn't hinge on external factors, but on your understanding of time's true value and your refusal to dwell on the past or entertain excuses. Embrace truth-telling as an act of love, even if it's misunderstood or underestimated. Despite challenges, flow like water, keeping your feet grounded and your spirit soaring. Type 555 to affirm. Acknowledge the abundance in your life beyond material wealth, security, sustenance, love, joy, and peace. Focus on gratitude, for from it springs more abundance. God promises goodness, affirming that better days are on the horizon. In times of difficulty, be gentle with yourself, mind, body, heart, and soul. Goodness is inevitable. Better days await. Recognize when someone's actions speak louder than their words. Prioritize your own happiness and worth. Don't allow your heart to be broken by those who cannot appreciate you. When I give, it's without expectation or keeping score, for I understand the value of empathy and compassion. But when my generosity is taken for granted, it's time to reassess. Please donate us $50 to support us, so when your sincerity goes unappreciated, I won't retaliate with anger or spite. Instead, I'll be astute and reevaluate your role in my life. Giving my all is my nature, but once I'm done, there's no looking back. Trust in the best possible outcome for your situation. Don't let setbacks discourage you. It's all unfolding for your highest good. Expect miracles as a potent new chapter of your life prepares to unfurl. Type yes to affirm. Within you lies untapped potential waiting to be unleashed. Your life experiences converge, paving the way for fresh opportunities, relationships, and spiritual blessings to effortlessly flow into your existence. Allow this transformation to unfold naturally. Embrace this phase as an opportunity to break barriers, transcend old patterns, and embrace your inherent power. Every person we encounter serves a purpose, whether as a blessing or a lesson. You, in particular, have left an indelible mark on me. Your gentlemanly demeanor and unwavering respect reminded me of my worth. Though I caught feelings swiftly, your departure ultimately became a catalyst for my healing and self-discovery. I'll forever be grateful for the role you played in my journey. While your potential may intimidate others, it's time for you to recognize and embrace it fully. Rise above the negativity of skeptics and energy vampires. Honor the brilliance of your light. Those meant for you will stand by your side as you step into your true power. Anything or anyone hindering your growth will naturally fade away. Release them with ease and embrace a life that ignites your soul with passion. With the energy of the fall equinox at play, a profound transformation awaits. Embrace it with open arms, knowing that it heralds a new beginning, filled with endless possibilities. The portal to your soul's true path stands wide open, inviting you to take a quantum leap forward. No more settling in comfort zones or contorting to fit into spaces you've outgrown. Assert your boundaries and demand reciprocity in your relationships. Nothing and no one is worth losing sleep over. Surrender restlessness by honoring your inner voice and answering the call of ascension. Your energy is a precious gift, reserved for those who genuinely support your spiritual evolution. Recognize the rarity of your soul and choose wisely who gets to bask in its radiance. Though the universe's next destination remains uncertain, trust that it will propel you far. You're a walking diamond, becoming more dazzling under pressure. It's time to acknowledge the emptiness of hollow words and detach from anything or anyone incapable of offering genuine nourishment. Don't let fear of loneliness tether you to relationships that leave you feeling isolated. You deserve authentic love. But first, reinvest that love in yourself. It's time to break free from the prison disguised as a relationship and pursue your happiness. If you believe in God's love, type Jesus is Lord. The ego resists inner work, clinging to familiar patterns even when they lead to trauma and suffering. Yet, by delving within, you transcend the ego's grasp and connect with your spiritual essence. Let love in, express your feelings without fear, and embrace vulnerability. Connect deeply with yourself and others, cherishing each moment of life's fleeting beauty. Amidst intense transitions, find joy and optimism, trusting that blessings are on their way. Deepen your faith, heighten your patience, and be ready to catch the miracles seeking you. Amen if you agree.